Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be reviewing the e-scooter. I will also be talking about some of its main features. I've teamed up with e-Skuta. It's a company that produces electric modern day alternatives to vehicles. And I hope you enjoyed the video. In the description down below there will be an affiliate link if you're interested in buying any of the products, which I highly recommend. It will change your life and change your way of travel. So I've had this e-scooter bike for about 3-4 months now, and it's been absolutely a wonderful experience, a cheap alternative to a petrol moped. So this is the e-scooter. Initial impressions, it may look like a moped. It's a fantastic piece of kit with only costing 10p to charge, and it's an EAPC, which means it's perfectly legal on UK roads. So it means when you pedal, the motor will kick in and you'll reach a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. What I really like about this is it's really green. It's a green alternative. If we look at the current crisis with, petrol and diesel, petrol stations, massive queues, shortages of petrol and drivers to deliver the petrol. For electric, all you have to do is go to, for the e-scooter, you just have to plug it into a 3-pin plug. So I'm going to run through the quick security features of the bike. We have the steering lock, which you can put the key into the ignition, and you just simply twist the bike and it will take it off the steering lock, and to put it back in, you twist it, pull it down, and it will lock it into place. Another key security feature I like is the key fob. Now with the key fob, if you don't want to put the key in the ignition, which it is sometimes bad to keep bringing it in and out the ignition, you can simply press the button and it will start the motor. Just like so. You have the alarm system, which you probably just heard, to put it into an alarm, so like so. So the alarm, it will, if anyone tries to pedal it, the alarm will go off and you'll be alerted quick enough to save your bike from getting stolen. And in addition, if you did unfortunately forget to, if you use the wireless technology and unlock the bike and it went out 50 meters of range, then the alarm will kick in and a secure wheel lock will automatically lock on the wheel. What I really like about this bike is, even though it looks like a moped, is that it has all the other controls a moped would have. It would have a horn, and it would have a ignition, not a throttle, but just to get you going. And it has a delivery sort of holder on here where you can put various bits, so like a dash cam or a phone holder. The only thing that I found with the e-scooter is when you're going up hills and you stop pedaling, it is really hard to get started again because you have to pedal up the hill to reignition the motor. But apart from that, it's been a wonderful experience, and it's only 10p for a full charge, which if you were to buy a petrol moped, you'd be looking at a lot more money, 10, 20, 30 pounds. And if we think about the recent crisis with petrol and diesel at the time of uploading this video, electric is definitely the way to go. thank you very much for taking the time to watch this review and this overall insight into the ESkuta SX250. If you are interested in buying some of the products, just a reminder, there will be a link down in the description below. And thank you very much for ESkuta teaming up with us and coming down to meet us to look over this amazing bike.